Hello YouTube.
Nope, not the Chrysler today. Picked up this yesterday. It's a 92 Honda Accord.
And that's what we're going to drive today. I'm going to get it cleaned up here. I washed it yesterday. Sitting for a while.
This side's not as good as the other side. It's got the racks on it. See how she fires. It's quite a pigsty.
Come on.
Weird. It ran perfect yesterday.
There we go. Probably just coolant temp sensor, I bet you. Bet you that's what it is. Come on. I'll bet you that check engine light has something to do with that. 332,000 kilometers. So I don't know, 220 miles, something like that, 210. Gonna get this thing cleaned up today. First I'm going for breakfast.
Here's the 92 Accord. You guys saw me starting in the last clip. I got it all cleaned up now. It snowed a little bit last night, just a tiny bit. But the reason it wasn't starting good is because the coolant temp sensor was bad. So I changed that. And I got insurance on it right now because the Monte Carlo is going to the body shop tomorrow. Or sorry, I wish the Monte Carlo was going to the body shop. The 200's going to the body shop tomorrow. So let's fire this thing up. But you can tell from the last video that it's a lot cleaner in here. It's all nice now. So I'm just gonna sell this one. I don't need it, but I'm gonna need it for a couple days here. Here we are. Sunshine Auto Body. For those of you guys who missed the last video, that's what the dealership did. Nice deep gouge there. It's about level with about 6 inches over from the door handle, straight down. And then he's going to fix the ding in this door. I don't know if you won't be able to see it because of the frost. There's a very slight ding right there. And then there's one on the other side as well that he's going to look after. Okay, right here, you can see that one. Yeah, right there. There's no other marks on the car. This mark, that little one, and couple little rock chips. That's it. So yeah, be here for a couple days and then should be fixed. Just fired up the Honda, got back. The body shop just gave me a ride home. Brr! It's like 8:30-ish. So I gotta let this thing warm up so I can safely drive it downtown, and then we're gonna sell this. Goodbye to the Honda Accord. Sold it. Going to pick up the Monte Carlo now. This ain't right. My brother's driving the 200 out to the shop. We're gonna park this back in there. I'll throw a picture up right now of what this car looked like when I walked out to it. I don't like driving this car in the winter. It's not good. Okay guys, sorry if there's any wind noise. Got the car back from the body shop. Did a really good job. You can tell the difference in the texture, like the orange peel is ever so slightly different. Other than that, you can't tell anything. I'll back up. So they did a good job. I'm still leaking coolant, so the dealership didn't fix the issue and damage the door, but other than that, it's all good. I just washed it. Inside needs to be vacuumed and stuff, but nothing I can do about that right now. I could vacuum it, but it's that time of year where there's no point. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, check out my channel, and have a good day.